Hey guys, Gina here. Welcome back. I have the Bargain Bead Box in my hands already. Seems early for the month, but it's already here for August 2026, and I'm really excited to get into this package with you guys today. If you're interested in signing up, I do have the link right down below in my description section, as well as a very special coupon code, which is OPAL2, and that will save you $2 off your very first month. If you'd like to try them out right now, they're only $24.99 a month with free shipping in the US, but they may have to raise that depending on some different factors. But go on their website for all those details, and let's go ahead and get into this package. All right, so here's a peek at our bundle of goodies for the month. It does look like our theme is called Saguaro Sunset. So based on a desert palette of red, turquoise, purple, and it says there's going to be some jasper. And of course, in addition to that, we're gonna have some metallic components in coordinating colors. It looks like copper finish is what we can expect to see this month. And also on this insert, we have that special coupon code, which you can use at their sister store all throughout the month. It's a really nice perk of this subscription. And they also run a contest every month where if you make something from the contents of your package, you can enter to win some more credit to their shop as well. On the back of this, we have a list of everything that's included for the month. And as we see here, there is a total of 21 different items in our Saguaro Sunset collection this month. We're gonna take a look at everything close up, but here is a list if you wanna pause it here for any reason and refer to it. Let's go ahead and get started with item number 1. All right, let's get started with item number 1 here, which is the 34 by 23 millimeter red jasper and brass teardrop pendant with antique copper. So you can see we've got this beautiful teardrop shaped red jasper stone that has that antique copper surround. It matches the findings that we're gonna see this month, which they do a great job at coordinating and switching it up. And I'm seeing lots of beautiful gemstones, also some more red jasper. And that brings us to our second item, which actually comes in this pack of 2. Here we have 2 pieces of approximately 24 by 18 millimeter red jasper teardrop pendants. So even more focals to work with. As many of you know, I love to start out with some of these focals that they send us in these bargain bead boxes. So already right here, we've got 3 possibilities. All these are gonna be a little bit different. You can see the pendants there I received are very different, actually, similar in their color, but you know, they've got their own kind of thing going on. So just keep that in mind as you are checking out what you receive. They're natural material, and that is supposed to happen. All right, next we have item number 3, some more of our red jasper and more in the teardrop shape, which coordinates so well. This is a set of 4, approximately 14 by 9.5 millimeter red jasper teardrop beads. So think of these as like maybe you could use some in coordinating earrings and possibly even 2 pairs since we have a total of 4 pieces here. They've got a hole that runs up and down through the length of the bead, and these will all be slightly different as well, but have that beautiful reddish brown color. All right, next we have a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter red rainbow jasper round beads. These are so gorgeous. Look at those in the coordinating color with our other red jasper, but I think these bring in a little bit more in terms of some of the neutral areas, a little bit of clear, brown, black, cream, different striations and spots and inclusions going on in these stones, which is really cool. And this reddish color, it reminds me of definitely the Southwest and what they were going for. And more specifically, I'd say like Sedona, such a beautiful reddish color for the desert. All right, up next, item number 5 is a 7-inch strand of the 4 by 2.5 millimeter red jasper faceted Hishi beads. And I just love that extra little shimmer and sparkle that these have. They coordinate really well with our other stones that we've seen so far, but they just add a totally different shape with this very specific sort of short cylindrical shape that Hishi cut, and they have that little bit of a sparkle because of the way they are cut all around the outside of the bead. So love that. Love that they coordinate these gemstones so well every month and give us a number of different sizes and shapes to play around with. It's so much fun to play with these contents, and great even if you don't have a big stash of beads already built up, which I say all the time. So definitely recommend this. And already we've got a lot going on and we've only seen 5 items. Let's go ahead and check out number 6 though, bringing in some other gemstones. I really love this strand. This one caught my eye immediately, not just because it's got a little bit of a sparkle and a shimmer to it as well, but just that mix of different colors. It's soft yet earthy. It's got a lot of different colors going on. And I think it's great when designing because it kind of helps us to see what other colors we might want to pull in to this palette possibly to go along with the red jasper, which it does have some of those reddish tones in it, but also a lot of different shades of green, even a little purple, and lots of neutrals going on too. So this here, to give you the listing, is a 14.5-inch strand of the 3 to 3.5 millimeter Alash and Agate micro faceted round beads. Beautiful. Next up is item number 7. It's a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter rainbow jasper matte round beads. So now we have a little bit of matte balancing out some of our shiny and sparkly, and just really interesting to get another sort of finish in the same style of gemstone and in a 6 millimeter very versatile round size. All right, up next, item number 8 is a 7-inch strand of the 6 millimeter sea sediment jasper in orchid. So kind of like we saw in that Alash and Agate, I mentioned there was a little bit of purple. These really bring in a lot more of that purplish color, but they do have a reddish undertone. I can see why that goes well with the red jasper. Also these beautiful striations bringing in some of that lighter creamy color, which we're going to see a little bit more of in the palette. Next up, we have a strand of the 5.5 millimeter crystal English cut beads in turquoise green AB. Lots of shimmer going on with that extra AB coating. Very neat texture with the English cut beads and bringing in a little bit of that green tone. All right, here's item number 10. This is a 10-inch strand of the 7 by 4.5 millimeter crystal faceted rectangle beads. These are in dark coral red, definitely a very bright shade of red that they're bringing in here. Very faceted, very sparkly with these flat, kind of small, tabular, rectangular shaped beads. Another unique shape, adding to what we already have below. All right, so I'm seeing a lot of this rich, kind of earthy, but also vibrant color combination going on. And it looks like they have added a couple of very light contrasting items to the theme this month. And this right here is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter Riverstone / fossil jasper round beads. These are also kind of a matte feel. They're very kind of, I don't know, they have a soft-like appearance and that very soft bone-like sun-bleached sort of a color going on. So that is, I believe, our last strand of stone beads. However, our next item is this really cool focal that does look stone-like, and this is item number 12. It's a 58 by 33 millimeter porcelain cactus bead in ivory with brown wash. It's really well done. It actually looks like bone or a stone material. Look at all the little crackling and the details going on. And it's a pretty substantial piece size-wise. The other nice thing is that it's neutral, so it's gonna go with pretty much whatever you put it with. You can keep it more neutral, but look how it also pops against all of those vibrant colors below. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put the rest of the items in the tray. These are mainly the findings and metallic components that go so well with the beads that we've already taken a look at. I'm gonna go slightly out of order though. I'm gonna show you next number 14, which I have in my hand. And this right here is a hand-painted porcelain cylinder bead in Southwest Night. It says approximately 23 to 27 millimeter. It's got that really cool Southwestern feel with this design on the outside and a slightly larger hole, which you could pair with some cord possibly. And bringing in some of the red and the green and some of that more sandy, caramelly neutral color along with some black and white. So now let's go ahead and get into the items in the tray. We still have so much to take a look at. And up first, we have this great mix. It's 20 grams of 6x3 millimeter glass rondelle beads in Sunset Skies. And I love this bright pop of yellow also being pulled in with some of the neutrals and the turquoise. And it really goes well, I think, with the antique copper that surrounds it too. And even the turquoise, it picks up some of that verdigris in those cactus pendants. That's what we're gonna get into next. And I love the fact that this is actually a 4-piece set. So all 4 of these cactus pendants were considered to be one item included on the list. So what we have here is a mix of 37 to 46 millimeter size cactus teardrop pendants in antique copper patina. And here's a close-up look at both of these. I love the little cactus cutout in this one. That is so cute. And it's got the verdigris and that sort of little scalloped looking frame with that raised scalloped area on the outside. I love that it's got the verdigris carried over to the back, which also looks really nice as well. It's actually nice on both sides. It's got a loop at the top. And then the other cactus pendant here, which is really cute and very substantial in its size. And the fact that we get a set of 2 of each is pretty cool. That one's got the verdigris carried over to the back as well and a loop at the top. So those are going to be really fun to play around with. Next on the list, we have a set of 4 of the 25 by 22 millimeter teardrop chandeliers in antique copper. These we've seen before if you've been a Bargain Bead Box subscriber for a while. They come in different colors, but these definitely have a Southwestern feel. I can see why they were included this month, and they kind of echo some of the designs that I'm seeing down there on that hand-painted porcelain bead, which is pretty cool. Also, something to note is the teardrop shape we see carried through in our findings. There's a look at the back, and you can more clearly see that it's got 5 holes down there in each of these components down at the bottom for hanging some fringe or maybe a multi-strand necklace or other piece. And then item number 17, we have a set of 6 of the 27 by 17 millimeter textured teardrop links in antique copper. So these are bringing in even more of that teardrop shape, more copper. These have a very wide open area. You could even dangle a bead inside that opening, hang something from the bottom, use these as chandelier components, brick stitch around them. So many different things you could do with a component like this. And I love the fact that these are double-sided. They've got that really cool hammered appearance on both sides. Next up in the tray is item 18, 30 pieces of 6 millimeter detailed bicone spacers in antique copper. They're kind of a rounded bicone-like shape with a little bit of a detail and texture included all around those. Number 19 is a set of 30 pieces of 7mm bead caps in antique copper. Those are a handy item to include along with some of our gemstone beads. Those will frame those out nicely, for example. And also we have received a 3-piece set of 24 by 11mm hook and eye clasps in antique copper. So that's nice. We have the hook section and the clasp loop portion here as well. Unique type of clasps. Sometimes we get toggles and different things. And then last but not least, we have a strand here of the 4x3mm textured oval jewelry chain in antique copper. And it doesn't say, but we typically get a meter length of chain, which is more than enough to make at least one project and usually to use in multiple projects. You can see that little bit of texture on those oval links there. All right, everyone. Well, that wraps it up for the Saguaro Sunset Collection. Look at August 2026 Bargain Bead Box together. And I'm so glad that you were able to join me to check out all these contents up close. I'm super excited to get creating. And I hope you guys are too if you have also signed up to the box and are expecting to receive your package soon. I really love all of the gemstones and the focus on the red jasper this month, and how every month it's something different. And even if you're not super into a desert theme or the cactus, you know, you've got so many other things here to play with and to use that don't have to be desert or cactus specific, but also keep in mind you can use these for gifts because we're all different and like different things. So anyway, I just love the addition too of that little bit of purple, the turquoise that is brought in, and that really light bone color. That cactus focal is going to be really interesting to work with. It's definitely got my mind going, thinking about different ideas and possibilities to use for that. And the Alaskan agate strand I also really love with all those multiple colors going on. Well, that wraps it up for this month. Let me know down below what you think of this month's contents or anything else you'd like to say. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe while you're here. I would love to see you back again. If you're interested in signing up for future bargain bead boxes, don't forget I do have that link down below and that special coupon code OPAL2 if you want to save $2 off your very first month. That's all for now. I hope to see you guys again real soon. Until next time, have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy beading.